If you're thinking of buying or selling a home, chances are you're focusing on the many extraordinary ways it'll change your life. But do you also know it has a large impact on your community? To measure that impact, the National Association of Realtors releases a report each year to highlight just how much economic activity a home sale generates. This chart shows how the sale of both a newly built home and existing home impact the economy. As this visual shows, a single home sale can have a significant effect on the overall economy. To dive a level deeper, NAR also provides a detailed look at how that varies state to state for newly built homes. You may be wondering, how can a single home sale have such a major effect on the economy? There are multiple industries that play a role in the process. Numerous contractors, specialists, town and city officials. That means when you buy or sell a home, you're leaving a lasting impression on the community at large.